In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a project's messages and comments in Basecamp. If you're wrapping up a project, need a snapshot for compliance, or simply want an offline copy of your conversations, this quick process will help you get message boards and all their associated comments out of Basecamp in a clean, organized way. Start by heading to Admin Land, which you'll find in the top right corner under your avatar. Admin Land is Basecamp's control center, where account-level tools and maintenance options live. From there, look for and click Export Data from this account. This takes you to the Export area where you can tell Basecamp exactly what you want to take with you. Next, choose the specific project or projects you want to export. You can export everything, but if you only need a few, selecting just those will keep your archive smaller and faster to prepare. The export includes far more than messages and comments. It also carries to-dos, schedules, and the list of people tied to each project, giving you a complete picture of the work. Once you've picked your projects, request the export. Basecamp will begin packaging the data behind the scenes. Timing depends on how much content your projects contain. Bigger message boards, long comment threads, and lots of to-dos can take longer, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Now wait for Basecamp to email you when it's ready. You'll receive a message with a download link as soon as the export is complete. Keep an eye on your inbox, and remember that the notification goes to the email address associated with your Basecamp account. If you're expecting a large archive, it may take a bit. That's normal. The export arrives as a zip file. Inside, you'll see a folder for each project you included. Each folder contains files in HTML format by default, which you can open in any web browser for easy, readable access. If you opted for XML instead, that format is best for developers or importing into other systems. Within those files, you'll find your messages and all related comments, as well as to-dos, schedules, and people information, neatly organized so you can reference or share them outside Basecamp. And that's it. Using Admin Land's export tool is the easiest and most reliable way to capture message boards and their full comment history outside of Basecamp, along with other essential project details. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you safeguard your work and keep your records tidy.